It's the most wonderful time of the year. Well, you know what, ladies and gentlemen, it is the most wonderful time of the year because it's time for you, that's right, for you, to start planning your holiday parties. We're in August of 2022, and venues are going to start getting booked, entertainers are going to start getting booked, and so it's time to start planning and putting it on the calendar. And so I've got 5 icebreaker games for you that you can play at your holiday party this season, and they are going to be incredible for you. Now, the first one is called Blurry. Now, with Blurry, it's a really fun game that involves images, and you're going to need some kind of projection or screen or something like that. So, to play the game Blurry, here's how you play. You're going to show a series of images. You're going to show the same image over and over again, but in the very first time you show it, the image is very, very blurry. And then the next image gets a little bit more clear and then a little bit more clear until the first person guesses it correctly or the image is actually revealed. Here's an example. So you would show them an image that's incredibly blurry, and then the next one it gets a little bit more clear and a little bit more clear until someone guesses, hey, that's a Ferris wheel. Ding, 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 we have a winner. So that is how you play the game Blurry. Now it can be played with a large audience or with a small audience. And one of the things that we love to do with our clients when they hire us to play these games is we customize the images to the actual event theme. So if you're doing a holiday space theme, maybe it's rockets and the moon are the images. Or if it's just simple holidays, it could be presents and trees and snow and different things like that. We love to customize them. And the ones that we have for sale for Blurry and the rest of these games are our everyday ones that work with any kind of event, including your holiday event. Now, the next game that I've got for you is called Emoji Battle. Now, Emoji Battle is a really fun game, and if you buy our version of Emoji Battle, it comes with an instruction slide, and the instructions go like this. What you're going to do is you're going to show 2 emojis on screen side by side, and those 2 emojis are different, and you have the crowd pick, and then you can even have a battle or a debate if you would like to. Here's an example. This is what ours looks like, and we have bacon or eggs. You can't pick both as much as you want to. I would love to pick both bacon and eggs to go together, but no, you have to pick one. So you put this on screen and you let the room divide themselves, and people will get really passionate and really excited when they talk about and debate what are the merits, like why is bacon so tasty and so savory, or why are eggs so salty and the better choice. So that's the second game I've got for you. The third one is a game that we recently created, and it's called It Takes 2. You might have seen a previous video where I sing, it takes 2 to make a thing go right. Well, it's a bit of a spin off of that, but instead of It Takes 2 to Tango or that game, this game is a really fun one, and it goes like this. So the first thing you need to do is someone is going to find a partner, and then they are going to stand facing each other. And then you're going to show an image like the Super Mario logo that I have there. But then you're also going to put on screen what they can't say. So one person is going to have their back to the screen so they cannot see the Super Mario logo. The other person is going to be facing the screen so they can see it, and they have to get them to guess what's on the screen, which would be the Super Mario logo, but they can't say those words that are on the screen that I have for you for this example of Super Mario, Luigi, Yoshi, or Peach. They can't say any of those. And here's an example of what one of our slides looks like. So we have a T-Rex statue that is also a taco holder. And the 3 words that you can't say in order to get someone to guess it correctly would be taco, dinosaur, and T-Rex. So that is an example of how to play It Takes 2. The third game I've got for you is the fourth game is called Within Reach. Within Reach is a really fun one, especially if you're playing virtually or if you have round tables in kind of a ballroom type setting, because you have different people at different tables, or you have different people on screens just like this or this, and they're battling against each other in order to be the first person to grab the item first correctly. So for example, you would put up on screen, and this is what ours looks like, an image of a phone. It can be an iPhone, it can be an Android phone or whatever. And then everyone is looking around them. They're like, oh, where did that go? I can't find, where is my phone? It's in my bag if they're at the table, right? And then the first person to hold up their phone is going to be the winner, right? So that's how you play within reach. And the final game that I've got for you is another fun one that we've created called Figure It Out. Now this is another emoji game, but it is an emoji puzzle game. And here's how you play. On the screen, you put a set of emojis. Let everyone guess what word or phrase it means. So the emojis form a chain, and they're either like the name of a movie or the name of a story, or they could be a cultural reference. And so here's an example of one of the ones that we've created. And let's see, it's a monkey with like hands over, another monkey, and then with the pants and then a fire emoji. Well, this one actually spells liar, liar, pants on fire. So some people are going to get really into it. Other people are going to be sitting back and just laughing. But regardless, you're going to have half the room go, oh, I should have guessed liar, liar, pants on fire, right? So those are the 5 icebreaker games that are super fun and that are ready for you to have a great time in 2022 at all of your holiday parties. All of them or just one of them, you know? And then if you enjoyed this video, you're gonna love what we have at the Elevate store. So I've shown you how we've created a lot of these slide decks, things that you can buy for your holiday party. And we have already done the hard work for you of creating multiple rounds of it, of all 5 of these. And you can find them in the link, the description of this video, where they are pre-made for you. You can download them, you can use them, and you can have a great time. And it's gonna save you a ton of time and a ton of money and a ton of energy at creating them, because you got enough to do. You gotta worry about the catering, you gotta worry about the entertainment, you gotta worry about the decorations, you gotta worry about the registrations and the emails that are going out. You don't need to worry about the icebreakers, the games. We got you. So check out the link in the description of this video. And if you did like this video, we'd be honored if you gave it the thumbs up. If you click the little subscribe button, if you also click the bell icon, which means you're gonna get notified when we put up a brand new video just like this, because later we have another video that is going to be all about different ideas for your holiday party. Thanks everyone. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in a future one. See ya.